Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I would like to just share with you this DIY redo project. I did this a while ago and I shared it on my blog, French Farmhouse Flair, and I just want to redo it because well, first of all, when I bought this moss, it really wasn't as green as I wanted. I was wanting something more along this lines over here, this brighter, more vibrant green color. And this year I found this at the Dollar Tree. So I would like to redo this. This was a green, but it's more of an olivey tone green. And it wasn't quite what I wanted. So I've already started pulling off a lot of the moss, and I'm going to be putting on the new moss with my glue gun. My husband cut these out. Well, he cut two of these shamrock shapes out for me. It's a tongue twister. He cut two of them out because we have two front doors, and then he drilled two holes for me to bring the ribbon through, and I tied knots there. And I purchased this at the Dollar Tree, not this year, but I don't know if they had them this year or not, but they did have this green burlap ribbon there this year. I did see that, so I know you can get that. So I want to redo this DIY project that I've already done once, but I'm much happier with this moss than I was this moss. So I'm just going to be pulling it off, and like I said, I've already pulled off quite a bit of it. I don't have to pull off all of it, but I'm just going to be getting most of it off, and then I can just put the other moss right over top of it. So I'm going to be doing, like I said, two of these shamrock shapes because we have two front doors that they're going to go on, and I will show you what they look like on our doors when they are completed. But I just wanted to take you along with me on this little DIY project. This is a simple DIY project that you could do if you're interested in making something like this for your front doors for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on these.